You as a man, will wake up every day early in the morning, working and sweating from sun up to sundown. If you have a woman in your life and she not give you no inspiration, no motivation when you go through hard times and stress, and you hold your head down with your hand up on your jaw, she now lift it up, look you in your eye, and say, "Don't get weary, Gangale, don't get weary."
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Clapper TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Make a stop, pick up couple item, oil and powder, send you our side them. And make a bad link on the bang of phone. Them no man a poison. Amazon, deep pump rifle, deep right.
VYBZ new tune. Me a motivate him last night. Me a watch him and I say, Bumbuckler, you know, me not tap beat him because me a motivate him. People, me a motivate them to look boy them then come bad in a Bumbuckler dancer. Watch and see. No, me not try with lazy vibes, no, boring vibes. But lazy vibes now answer boring vibes. The answer and the style, because boring vibes go to tune, me know. Lazy vibes do a tune to man, because you're a bad one, you know. Yeah. Yo, lazy vibes and boring vibes. I wish me could have make name stick on them to blood clan. Me and them I should have friend when me call them so every day. I should have when me I go to school and me and them in the same class. Every day I would have call them so make name stick on them. They go do better. They don't need to do better. You don't take dog, they no inherited talent. This a blood clot black. What do you call it? Apple no fall far from tree. Them a play a far from the tree to pussy clan. I feel like I true their father spent too much time around Sean Storm. You know, they inherited from Sean Storm. Chanstan, you can roll like Matsus. You have to give Matsus look respect. Because Matsus no in no blood clot talent. All Matsus want to do a back arm, a guard cartel. That's all he interested in. Matsus, your next joker to me. I don't defend no man with my Bumbuckler like you got Sunfest, boy, you run. Matsus, you ever see when Buckler fall a stage show? You don't big up your blood clot chest pass Sunfest if Buckler. Matsus, we know it's a look a viral moment you look at. True, you're the artist. You know, no reason to go up on the stage, so you're glad when the stampede start in a crowd, you run gone on the stage, you and turn up in front of your father. You fuck. You ever see when Buckler fall on the stage show, all you lucky the blood clot, if Buckler if you start fall on the stage. Yo, me no care what no one say, me not protect no boy life with my life. Brawlington, no boy, not even my father. Google what? Someone want me Google, me sit down and watch it. Dog, me not protect no man with my Bumbuckler life. You fucking idiot. I could have even my father, dog. Me not, and that's why me tap say Gaza. People me used to say Gaza, but when me see how Gaza fans them love, man, me have to tap say Gaza. Me not say no Gaza, Bumbuckler. Freedom of speech, dog. You have to can't say nothing on here if you kill a pussy class. You want this and tell you all kind of fuckery. Yo, you never see when Buckler fall a stage show? Me can't believe him man run gone up on his stage and push up his chest in front of his father like. Yo, your blood clot. You're the next one to as soon as Alkaline, Matsus, as soon as Alkaline sing a brata song, Matsus start pick him up. You should be ashamed of yourself when you come out of prison, you big up, you know say nothing about Alkaline. As soon as Alkaline sing brata, you start big him up at top. Oh, Alkaline afraid for clash, no artist in a dancehall. A friend you look Matsus. Alkaline want no friend from none of you, especially all blood clot. You just say Alkaline don't rate nobody. Come like you're blind. Alkaline don't rate not one of them. If Alkaline they go on with deeper brata business, I probably him would have take for me artist. I come like me and him have a mind alike. When I rate people a Bumbuckler. Man doing things pan him own, man make it pan in blood clot one. We just Alkaline is a good artist, just Lego deeper brata nastiness bad man. I tell you straight and plain. Even though you care about, you don't submit to girl in your bedroom already. You go on your knee and make girl play with your bottom. Why for that, man? As soon as Alkaline come out of prison and sing brata, you know see Matsus a big him up, man. Say Alkaline afraid for clash, no artist in a dancehall. Then if Matsus attack against the Gaza, what do you expect me to do? Eh? Matsus me shame and you no blood clot. A Sean Storm alone say loyalty. You need to take a page out of Sean Storm book and be more loyal. I can't look a brata song. I don't like people. Pretty meds, Frank blood clot then come out of prison. You hear him say nothing about Alkaline as soon as Alkaline do the last song. But brata he start big up Alkaline. Alkaline that you there, you know if you clash nobody. Coward, right? All Masicka want this cartel in the people. Masicka want this cartel of fuck. Right now, Masicka see cartel as a chat in a dancehall. Me see a post when Masicka post pan him blow Instagram where him say yo, him a the blood cleat. something me I look for post cause I don't even remember. In my best, in my world's best, yeah. Say in my world best in a dancehall. World greatest new music soon. Me telling the same man who overthrow cartel boy and coward. Masicka ain't even top focus on bumbo clock.
Pull up! I want TV and a clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up! I want a tamot.
Your pussy fat for real, skin smooth, body big, no carrying at the knees. Get the Vaseline, set so I make the slide the team. Cocky make you wake up and put your back to sleep. Where you go, when me done, girl, you have to breathe. Hard fuck with your mouth and bag of seed. Yatter than them down.
Bumbo clock. I'm your dog with dominant when we in a bedroom with the girl, you know. We not submissive. And you drop asleep in a girl bed. You know, say you submit. The moment you drop asleep, you submit, dog. You know, dominant a bumbo clock. I'm your dog. Any boy going a blood clot bedroom with girl and submit to girl. Yeah, yes, man. That's why me feel say Alkaline and submit to girl in a bedroom. Cause if you want girl play with a body, you submit, you know. I'm your dog. Them know we dog. We dominate girl in a bedroom. We not submit a bumbo clot. Me rate him music them still. Me not tell a lie, boy. Him a move shaky. Me not talk listening tune them still. Cause he's a good fucking artist. So me not talk listening tune them, but he submit. Any boy go in a girl bedroom go drop asleep, dog. You submit. 450. You better ain't come tell the people them say your wife. And you rate the girl, but you dey contact boy girl a look. A clout the girl a look. Then every girl you fuck go and look clout off of you. Remember say you're a star, you have to protect your blood class self, dog. Go and go listen to Alkaline texting. An extra lesson, you will learn something. You know, as a gangster, you know, got a girl place, bro. Alkaline. Music video, my ass. That's another music video. That is no music video, blood clot. And 415. Which music video you see, manager Bongina? Eh? I don't know lyrics, bro. Dog, gonna take up for you, bumbuckler, man, bro. Then me have to go make him hear him over other than. We don't run so pussy joke, now batty joke. I want to tear you out. No Jamaican man do that, bro. Yo, nobody the fuck. Nobody try that again. You fuck up your culture too. You fuck up your culture if you tell me say our lyrics. Go lyrics. Lyrics, my ass. You submit, dog. We not submit to girl. Alkaline, you a joker, man. You should be ashamed of yourself for the sing about blood clot. You love when girl wash your body. You know, say a bitch move that. You bitch out yourself. Alkaline, you go in a bedroom, go bitch out yourself with girl. Because if a girl will give you a body wash, you know you have to kneel long on your knee, you know. A body man thing that either you go kneel long on your knee. Oh God, Alkaline. Come on, no, man. The fuck do you think you're smart, Alkaline? Think Alkaline is smart. You're not smart. They know that a girl go and that can't rub out. I tell you the truth, but not repeat it again, bad man. Yeah, no make no sense you come sing now. You went singing already now, I can't believe you come back and sing again to pussy clap. I don't know what's wrong with that boy. Dog, gonna know if you submit, dog, gonna tap submit to your bumbuckler girl, I'm gonna go in a bedroom with girl. 450 you submit to the girl. Alkaline you submit to the girl. Dog, gonna submit dog with dominant bumbuckler girl. That me I tell him. It's a boy, a fish dog where you come and watch man mouth for. Me bumbuckler. Bro, too much half naked girl up on TikTok for you come and talk about you see your mouth. Dog, that not sound good, dog. You straight? You know sound like you straight, you bumbuckler. What you looking at my mouth for? Eh? Yo, that black, yeah, dog. That's what they sitting there, man. I have a black hair, man, about see my mouth. Kind of fuck argument, that. About him and thing them there, dog. And the boy go in a bedroom, go submit to girl, dog. When you drop asleep, the moment you go in a girl bedroom, go drop asleep, you submit to the girl. Girl want fuck, girl don't want no man come in the room, come drop asleep. Yeah, me I tell her. I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care what get it coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go drop and bum. Me want start and